Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System, coming to you with our latest take-home craft, a handprint holiday tree. For this craft, you'll need glue, scissors, and a pencil. And to start with, you want to trace your child's hand on the green piece of paper and cut out all three at once. If they're doing this themselves, I recommend tracing it 3 times and cutting them out individually. Once you have those cut out, you want to put it together by gluing the bottom 2 handprints together, thumbs out, and then gluing the top on in the middle. Next, you're going to glue on your tree trunk at the bottom and cut out your star and then glue that on the top. Once you have that on, here comes the fun part. You're going to put all the dots all over your tree, and these little dots will be our ornaments. And that finishes out your holiday tree. And these holiday trees can be picked up at any of our locations until we run out.